Today, attorneys in the trial of a former Greenwood Village cop were laying out their case with opening arguments. Adam Holen is accused of second-degree murder in the death of 17-year-old Peyton Blitstein.
Investigators say this stemmed from an argument about careless driving the night before Thanksgiving in 2021. 9 News crime and justice reporter Kelly Rinke was inside the courtroom. Kelly, tell us what both sides laid out in their opening statements.
Yeah, Kim and Tom, there's really no dispute that Peyton Blitstein fired a gun first and Adam Holen returned fire. The questions the jury will have to answer are, who was the primary aggressor and was Adam Holen acting in self-defense? Today was really the first time that we heard Holen's defense in this case. His attorneys in opening statements said Holen lives on that street and had seen this car speeding in the neighborhood before. The defense says Holen stopped next to the car and, quote, wanted to say something. Defense claims he didn't show the teens a gun while he was in the car. Defense attorneys say after the kids continued to yell at him, Holen got out of his truck to go to the front door to get a parent. They argue Holen reached for his gun because he saw a gun. The prosecution told a very different story. They argue Holen showed a gun to one of Blitstein's friends before getting out of the car. Prosecutors say Holen, quote, advances on the kids and confronts them. The prosecution says Holen chose to get out of the car armed rather than to leave. Testimony today really focused on that Ring doorbell camera that was at the house right where this shooting happened. It captured everything. But as soon as Holen gets out of that truck and walks around the vehicle, things really happen in split seconds, and the jury's going to have to decide, did Holen take out his gun before Peyton showed his or after? Guys.
Yeah, we always talk about the video being so important, but it's how you interpret what you see as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And they really, even a testimony with one of the detectives who analyzed this video went frame by frame trying to lay this out, what they saw. But ultimately, it's really up to the jury on how convincing that testimony was.
All right. Thank you, Kelly.